Hi there, this is Thomas Grant. In the previous video I showed how easy it was to create a landing page in Smoove. This is a follow-up to that video. As you can see, I'm on the landing page. I've gone and saved it. Make sure you save your work often. We've created the thank you page. I've gone into settings. I haven't created a list yet, but I will do that in a moment. And I've gone into advanced and given the template or the title a name and made sure I saved it. Alright, so let's go create a list first. So click on list, click on add list. This name, let's call this my first list. Like so. You can make it public or private, just leave it as it is at the moment, and then click on save. And there is your list right there. Okay. Now, go back to the template, go to the landing page, okay, go to settings. Now you can click on, when they fill in the details, you want them to go to the list you created. And you can see the list selected in this section here. Right? And click on save. So that's how easy it is to create a list. Now I'm going to go into some automation and show you how easy that is to do. Smoove is a very easy to use marketing communication tool. Okay, so click on automation. It says automations, stop reading and start creating. Okay, this is a new automation. We're going to connect the dots or the pieces together with this template we created before. I click on start from scratch. Right. Click on clean canvas. Click on select. Here you put in the name of the canvas. So when you want to call this one new auto test. And click on the first. You've got a whole bunch of triggers that you can add in by clicking and drag and drop them into the area here. Right? A whole bunch of triggers. You've got actions and conditions as well. But let's go first. Click on the first one, which is landing page registration. Just click it and drag it into this white area here. You can see the landing page not configured. So you click on edit to edit it, and then you select from the templates or the pages that you created earlier, which is the first template, and then click on save. So that's added into your automation here. So once they've filled in, let's say someone fills in the information on this particular page, and I'll be doing that in a moment, you want them to go and do something, which is take them to the thank you page and also start receiving an email from this particular campaign. Right? So you click on next thing, so go to actions. You can add them to a list, right? Add subscriber to a list. You can, where are we? Triggers. I want to send an email if we can find it. Send an email. Just click it and drag it. Right? Now you can either click on this, click on edit, select the list you want to add them to, which is my first list. Click on save. Here you got three options: after submitting form, if subscriber doesn't exist, if the subscriber already exists. So click on after subscribing form, I'll just move it around here so you can see it. After subscribing form, right, click it, hold it, and you'll see this little arrow point to where you want it to go to, which is subscribe to a list. Right? So they're going to be subscribed to this list here. Okay. Now, once they've done that, you can click on this little arrow here and drag it to this email section here. So you want to send them, once they've subscribed, you want to send them, send the person the email. So let's go click on edit. Okay, it says create email. Fairly simple to do, right? Add email. And you have a bunch of templates to choose from. First thing you want to do is enter in the campaign name. So I'm going to call this one my first email campaign. Subject, I'm going to call this one new marketing. Then you can also include, you can personalize the subject by adding in the first name. You can click on insert to insert the first name. Okay. Then you select a template. Let's click a simple template like this. And here is where you can modify your email with anything you want. Let's click on the picture. Let's upload a picture. Let's see if I can find one. There we go. Let's try that one. You can add a link to it or just leave it as it is. Click on save. You can resize it. Main title, change that to welcome. You can delete this section here. You can also delete these contact methods if you wish, the social media, or you can modify them. You can change the layout. Click on edit to edit them, and to remove them, what you need to do is highlight it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete, and delete that one. Okay, you can put your YouTube channel in here, your Twitter channel, and your Facebook. Click on save. You can see we've got the three icons. Now you can add the links in there if you wish, or you can delete it altogether. Alright, that's your email. Here I'm going to delete this one as well. Click on save and return. You can also save and test the email as well. And that's what your email looks like. Click on save. And there you go. That's how easy it is to use the automation. Okay. Now to show you a demonstration of what an automation looks like, let me just go and show you here. This is one from someone else that showed me their automation. You can see the landing page, it takes them to a subscription list, then it sends them an email, then we have a delay for a day, and sends them another email, and so on and so on. Okay, you can really build an easy series of emails to send to the person that signs up to your link. Alright, so that's pretty much it for automation. Click on publish to publish it. Click on yes. You'll see this unpublished and a green tick, and you'll see lock or edit if you want to lock it. Okay. And there you go. Now that I've done the automation, right, created a list, created the automation, created the capture page, right, back to the page, just click on it, you can see the automation is active, right, let's go click on it. You can see there's no numbers at the bottom of these sections. All right. And I want to join. There you go, takes you to the landing page, to the thank you page I should say. I check my subscription, I check the email, should have something in. Here it is. Sometimes it may land up in Smoove, in your spam. Just click on to remove it from your spam. You may want to check there. So I confirm the request for more information. Click on yes to confirm it. Permission to send. Should see this. Okay. And then the email that we created should also come through. Just make sure that's correct. You can see here that we've got one there, one there, and one there, right? So you know that the thing is working, the automation is working. So that's automation, that's a list, an automation, and creating a very simple automating system for contacting your contacts that fill in your form. Thanks for watching.